One of the greatest things that we've ever heard was a teacher who was leaving our lab asked all of her students in the hallway as they were leaving, if you could pick one field trip in the year that you would have to keep for next year's fifth graders, which one would it be? And every one of them said this one.
Having a tech lab here at Innovation has opened up so many more opportunities for our neighboring schools to be able to participate at our tech lab for a field trip. It has been amazing to see other schools and neighboring schools come and participate in the tech lab along with the students here in our building. It has just opened up more opportunities for students to experiment and collaborate with STEM.
It makes me feel excited because I know we're going to be doing something fun each time we're here. I feel like every time we go to the lab, we're gonna do something fun. And when it's just a different project each time, and always a surprise when you get over here. Well, that's what makes it exciting. It could maybe affect my future by giving me ideas of what kind of engineer I want to be and what I want to be to grow up.
The sky's the limit.